straight line graph, I want to work out the equation of that red line. First of all, you know it's going to be a negative gradient, right? Because it's going downwards. You can tell me what the y-intercept is, where it crosses the y-axis. So the y-intercept is 3. It's right here. In mathematics, that is represented with a C. Let's work out the gradient, which is what we have been working on so far. We need to pick 2 points that we can easily read. So I'm going to pick that point, and I'm also going to pick this point. And then I'll draw as we've been doing. So the rise is 3 and the run is 2. But because it's going downwards, it's a negative gradient. So it's negative 3 divided by 2. Negative 3 over 2. And this we call m. This 2 information is all you need to write the equation of a straight line. The equation of a straight line is y equals mx plus c. Your y is y here. You don't do anything with that. The equals sign. Your m is minus 3 over 2. Your x is x. Your plus there. And then your c is 3. This is the equation of your straight line. Any question? How did I get this 3? You can just read it up. Well done. It's not a trick question. I'm just checking. How did I get a minus 3 over 2? Rise divided by run, and because it is negative gradient, so it has to be minus. Very good. I'm going to give you some questions to now work out.